So here we are at the Our Lady of the Valley Parish Church, right here on Adams Street in East Hampton, Massachusetts. I'm about to film a video of the church bells at 12 p.m. noontime. Here are the church bells. So I filmed a video of the church bells at the Our Lady of the Valley Parish Church for a friend of mine who likes church bells. He's into like elevators, fire alarms, and church bells. He's into like lights and buttons, so I decided to film a video of the church bells for a friend of mine. He's also a DJ. And this is a video of the church bells at the Our Lady of the Valley Parish Church in East Hampton, Massachusetts. Thank you for watching. Bye.